How to find blocked accounts on Threads. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find blocked accounts on Threads. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Threads app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the two dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and select privacy. And now here, once you are inside the privacy section, if you scroll down there, you'll see the option labeled as blocked profiles. So just tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see the list of all the peoples that you have blocked on Threads. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.